A Texarkana teenager's hard-fought road to recovery inspired others today during Christus St. Michael's Health System's National Trauma Survivors Day.
The hospital held a ceremony to honor the trauma patient as well as the medical teams and EMS partners who helped save his life. KTBS 3's Julie Parr has more from today's event.
Summer Van Cam says her son Sean's trauma journey began in Doddridge, Arkansas on October 6, 2023.
Very foggy morning. That morning, Sean was headed to school and came to a stop sign and unfortunately had impact with an 18-wheeler.
Van Cam says a long road to recovery has included ICU care, inpatient and outpatient rehabilitation, and basically learning how to do everything again. Sean was reunited with the medical care teams who helped save his life during a ceremony celebrating trauma survivors. The 17-year-old was also presented the Spirit of a Survivor Award.
So Sean has been through pain that could have crushed him, trauma that could have defined him, and moments that could have made him give up. But God didn't let the story end there.
Trauma program manager Lauren Jamison was in the ER nearly a year and a half ago when Sean was initially treated for his life-threatening injuries.
I remember leaning down and getting in front of her and just talking with her, telling her exactly what was going on and praying with her. And I just remember our team coming together.
Emergency responders, doctors, and nurses often see trauma survivors at their worst. That's why Jamison says it means the world to them to see patients like Sean recover. The city of Texarkana, Texas recognized Trauma Survivors Day with a special proclamation.
Whereas trauma impacts individuals, families, and communities across all backgrounds, leaving visible and invisible wounds that require compassion, understanding, and support.
The Van Cam family says they're grateful for the doctors, nurses, therapists, and EMS who have helped in Sean's recovery, as well as the numerous school and community supporters.
It is so touching, the amount of people that prayed for us and reached out to us, and I don't know where we'd be today if we hadn't had that support.
Julie Parr, KTBS 3 News.
Statistics say trauma is the leading cause of death for individuals up to 45 years old and the fourth leading cause of death for all ages in the United States. The month of May is National Trauma Survivor Awareness Month.